You look pretty. Are you wearing makeup? Miss Wilson will kill you.
Did you see Maria on Saturday? She looked so skinny in that dress.
I love that skirt you were wearing.
You're so lucky you've got nice skin.
Hey Ronaldo, you're looking buff.
Oh my gosh, that girl's stronger than you. All right, skinhead.
Hey, your eyeliner looks really pretty today.
Your face looks thinner.
I tried on those trousers we liked. I looked massive.
Your cheekbones really stand out.
I wish I wasn't so skinny. I'm sick of being teased about it. I wish I was taller.
I wish I wasn't so squatty.
You look so young for my age.
I wish I had a six-pack.
I hate my freckles. I look like a skeleton.
I feel so fat today.
Come over here, fat boy.
Alright, Bugs Bunny.
My thighs, they're too big.
You'd look better with some makeup on. It would help to cover your spots.
What have you done to your hair, Scarecrow?
You look good. Have you lost some weight?